Every supply chain team thinks the hard part of a project is the optimization, the clever math. It isn't. After years doing this across industries, we found the opposite is true. The optimization is the last 20%. The first 30, 40%, sometimes more, goes to one thing: getting the data ready. Pulling it out of SAP and spreadsheets, cleaning it, transforming it. Months pass before leadership sees a single insight.
That's what we built OptiMeridian to fix.
MeridiFlow turns that painful data prep into a visual workflow, no code. MeridiCore is the engine. 7 decision modules: greenfield analysis, demand forecasting, network optimization, inventory optimization, last mile optimization, risk analysis, and supply chain simulation. Take inventory. Normally, an inventory study means months of pulling and cleaning data just to test a handful of policies. With OptiMeridian, you test every policy across the whole network in days, and you see exactly where you're holding too much stock and where you're one disruption away from a stock out. MeridiViz turns those results into decision-ready dashboards out of the box, and MeridianX, our AI assistant, runs across all of it, so even the specialist work becomes accessible. A project that used to take months, we now do in days, end to end, because the goal was never the model, it was the decision. And decisions shouldn't take months when they can take days. That's OptiMeridian, from fragmented data to optimized decisions. One platform.
Thank you.